Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Now I'm going to show you how to repair a rip with a blind stitch. Okay, here is our rip, and if you're doing a real repair, you want to match the thread color to the color of the garment. Match as closely as possible. But for purposes of showing you and so that you can see exactly what I'm doing and what the stitch looks like, I'm going to use a black thread. That should make it easier for you to see it. Now start with, you want to knot your thread like I showed you, the nice good knot. And we're going to come up from the back of the garment about a half an inch from the start of the rip. You're going to come up from the back to the front of the fabric. And then you're going to you'll go back in just a very small amount, like a centimeter. And take with the needle only less than a quarter inch, probably an eighth of an inch of fabric, and pull very loosely. And then you'll go on the opposite side of it, where you came out, you go in and take again about an eighth or somewhere between a quarter and eighth of fabric, like this. And then you go directly down from it again, but a little bit wider. You're going to start very small and close. You're a little wider, and you'll see what we're going to get. Here we go. So now your stitches start out small, bigger, and they're straight up and down, perpendicular to the rip. About an eighth of an inch. And go in down here. Okay, and then now we're up begins, and we're going to be sewing again just about somewhere between a quarter of an eighth of an inch stitches. And now we're going to go across the rip. We're going to enter here again, just about eighth of an inch away from the edge of the rip, depending, as long as the material isn't fraying, and you can put the needle in and it won't be coming out there. You pull that through. See how the stitches are coming perpendicular to the rip? And let me get a few more and then I'll show you what to do. Okay, so then once we get a bunch of those, then we're going to pull them very gently and see how it pulls that rip right together. And it almost looks like a seam. So the smaller the stitches, the more delicate the repair will be.